Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the example for special probability distribution with the situation normal distribution. Kindly refers to the questions. If x is normally distributed with mean is equals to 100 and we have standard deviation square which is equals to variance, and we have the questions, probabilities that x less than 106 is equals to, with the probability 0.8849. Find the variance. So here we have the situation. Probabilities that x less than 108, which I consider it as a questions. And we have the probability, or we can say it is a answer. Step number 1 is to standardize the situation. So probabilities that where we have x minus 100 over the standard deviation, which we can represent as standard normal z, less than 106 minus 100 over standard deviation equals to 0.8849. So where we have the first step. Second step is to illustrate the situation in a diagram. Next is to locate the value of z. So, for example, kindly let the situation z on the left. And by referring to the questions, they mentioned that z is less than the value of 106 minus 100 over standard deviation. So, meaning that here will be the region. So, kindly consider the situation. Is it possible, or is the area is 0.8849 for this portion? So, I believe the answer is no. So next, try again. Locate the value of z on the right hand side. Then refers to the question, probabilities that z is less than 106 minus 100 over standard deviation. So means that here will be the shaded region. So reconsider the situation. Is it possible for this portion equals to 0.8849? And I believe the answer is yes. So means that now what we have to do is to rewrite the situation so that we can express the z is greater than the situation given. So in here, where we have 1 minus this portion, where we have probabilities that z is greater than 106 minus 100 over the standard deviation. So rewrite the situation. Z greater than 106 minus 100 over standard deviation equals to 0.8849. Rewrite the situation. So the probabilities that z is greater than 106 minus 100 over the standard deviation equals to 1 minus 0.8849. So kindly simplify the situation, and we will have the probabilities that z is greater than 106 minus 100 over the standard deviation equals to, for the right hand side, 0.1151. So means that what we have to do is to refer to the probability in order to have the value of z. So here we have the situation, standard normal distribution. Kindly look for the value 0.1151. So here we have 0.13. Then keep on moving. Here we have 0.1170. Here we have 0.1151. So we are interested in 0.1151. So meaning that the value of z will be 1.2. Then here we have 0.00. So the value of z will be 1.2. For the probability 0.1151. So as we can see, the probabilities that z is greater than 1.2, and the answer will be 0.1151. So in order to find the value of the standard deviation, what we have to do is to compare the situation. So 106 minus 100, where we have 6 over standard deviation equals to 1.2. Rearrange the situation. So where we have the standard deviation is equals to 6 over 1.2. So the standard deviation is equals to 5. So question asks us to find the variance. So variance will be equals to standard deviation squared. So the variance will be 25. So here we are, and thanks for watching.